Welcome, I'm Linda, the founder of Tiny Oasis Decor. Our video series for the next 4 weeks will be about spring cleaning. I've created a free small space spring declutter, clean, and organize challenge guide that is linked in the description box to make this task a little more fun and less overwhelming. In week 1, we will focus on decluttering our spaces. Week 2, we will be doing the cleaning of our spaces. Week 3, we will be organizing the spaces. And then in week 4, we will discuss maintenance of your systems and self-care. If you haven't already, grab your free guide below. I promise there's something of value for everyone inside. Do you ever feel like your stuff has stuff? Let's fix that. All right, we decluttered, we cleaned, and now it's time to organize, aka the fun part. But seriously, organizing a small space is like solving a cozy little puzzle. And when you get it right, life just flows better. I still remember the first time I alphabetized my spice cabinet. I felt like I had conquered adulthood. It lasted about 2 weeks. But that's the thing about organizing. It's not about being perfect. It's about setting up a space that supports you, how you actually live. We all love the bins and baskets and pretty little labels. But before you start color coding, ask, how do I use this space every day? Organizing isn't just about making it look nice. It's about making it work. Put the things you use the most where you reach the most. Period. For example, I keep all my flavored water packets in a basket by the sink. It's my morning lifeline. No searching, no digging, just ease. So think about your real life routines, then build around them. In small spaces, floor space is gold. So go up, not out. Wall shelves, hanging hooks, over-the-door organizers, stackable bins, they all help you use vertical space to your advantage. And don't sleep on hidden storage. Ottomans with compartments, underbed bins, drawer dividers, they keep things out of sight without sacrificing function. Modular furniture is a game changer too. Like a coffee table that lifts into a desk. Simple, smart, and renter-friendly. Now let's talk about one of my favorite organizing mantras. If it's not grouped, it's chaos. If it's not contained, it spreads. If it's not labeled, you forget what's inside. Start by grouping like with like. All cords together, all skincare in one spot, all pet stuff in one bin. Then contain them in baskets, bins, jars, or drawer dividers. Even something simple like a lazy Susan in the cabinet can make a huge difference. And label everything that's not see-through, especially if you share your space, or if your brain's like mine and forgets what's in the mystery basket. I love using chalk labels or clip-on tags because I can switch them out anytime. So how do you keep it organized once everything's in place? Enter the 5-minute rule. Each night, spend just 5 minutes resetting one area. That's it. No perfection, no pressure. Tonight, maybe it's the entryway basket and fluffing the couch pillows. Tomorrow, maybe it's a quick kitchen counter reset. These little micro-maintenance moments protect all the work you've done and keep things feeling light and livable. Organizing doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to make sense for you, your habits, your routines, and your real life stuff. A little intention goes a long way in a small space, and I promise your future self is going to thank you for every shelf, every bin, and every label. So take it one zone at a time, one drawer, one shelf, one habit that makes your home easier to live in. And hey, if you haven't already, download your free Spring Small Space Guide. It's linked below and walks you through each step of this challenge. Up next, we're wrapping up the series with something so important, how to maintain your peaceful space and take care of you in the process. You've got this, and I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Until next time, bye-bye.